Hi everyone, my name is Leah and welcome to my channel, A Touch of Glam, and I'm so excited to share with you guys our living room and kitchen tour. I'm all about inspiring you with my DIYs, clean with me, and decorate here in my channel. This is my first video for this channel, and personally I love watching house tours. I get inspired by them, and hopefully with this video you get inspired as well. I intend to provide you with more content in making your house into a home with a touch of glam. We have bought this house 6 months ago, and my husband and I have basically flipped this house from inside and out. We are so happy with the way that it turned out, and I'm so proud and thankful to my husband for all his hard work. Currently, our tiles are not grouted yet. I want my husband to wait till everything is mostly done in the house to preserve the cleanliness of the grout. So while you're seeing this, the grouts are still not put in. There's just something about branch lights that I just love to decorate with. It just makes any room so magical. And I bought these at Hobby Lobby and I just love them. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and stay tuned because I will be uploading more contents with a touch of glam. Wherever you are, have a great day and see you next time. Bye!